Electric vehicles are becoming more common on the roads today. They're a great alternative to gas vehicles and cost less to drive. But a lot of people are hesitant when it comes to the idea of an electric vehicle. Today, I'm going to address the common concerns that people have when it comes to buying an electric vehicle. In this video, I will be going over range, charging speeds, charging stations, maintenance, and EV road trips, specifically for the Ford Mustang Mach-E and the Ford F-150 Lightning. Starting with range on the F-150 Lightning, it has two battery options, the standard range and the extended range. The standard battery provides 386 kilometers of range, while the extended battery provides 515 kilometers of range. The Mustang Mach-E has two battery options, as well as a 2-motor option and a 4-motor option. The 2-motor option gets the best range, with the standard battery getting 397 kilometers of range and the extended battery getting 488 kilometers of range. With the 4-motor option, your standard battery is going to get a range of 360 kilometers and your extended battery will get a range of 435 kilometers. At a DC charger, the Lightning will charge from 10% to 80% in 36 minutes on the standard battery and 41 minutes on the extended battery. And for the Mach-E, it will take 38 minutes on the standard battery and 45 minutes on the extended battery. For at-home charging, we have a few options. The Mach-E comes with a Ford mobile charger with 2 stages of available charging. Stage 1 is a 120 volt standard outlet plug-in that charges at an estimated 5 kilometers per charging hour. Stage 2, which is the most common for at-home charging, is a 240 volt plug-in and it will charge at an estimated 33 kilometers per charging hour. Stage 2 is significantly better than Stage 1, but it's nice that Ford offers both options. With the Stage 2 charger, to charge from 0 to 100 on the standard battery will take you around 12 hours and around 15 hours for the extended battery. But realistically, you won't be using 100% of your battery every single day. Say you drive 150 kilometers every day. It will only take you 4 hours overnight to charge it back to full. If you would like faster at-home charging for your Mach-E, you can get the Ford Connected Charging Station. It gives you 48 amps on demand and can do 45 kilometers per charging hour instead of 33. This will fully charge your Mach-E in under 12 hours for the extended battery and only 8 hours for the regular battery. For the F-150 Lightning, if you get the extended battery, you get a Ford Charge Station Pro, which gives you 80 amps on demand and 48 kilometers per charging hour on the extended battery and 30 kilometers per charging hour on the standard battery. This charger is recommended for the Lightning. Only an 8-hour charge time for the extended battery with this charger from 15% to 100%. But if you use the Ford mobile charger that comes with the Mach-E, it would take 14 hours to charge your Lightning with the extended battery. For those worried about public charging stations, there are approximately 47,000 EV stations in North America that can be used by Ford vehicles. This makes charging stations more common than Walmart's and McDonald's. 19,500 of those are a part of Ford's Blue Oval charging network. Ford uses a J1772 connector, which is universal to all EV vehicles in North America except Tesla. But you can still use Tesla charging stations with an adapter. If you are planning a road trip with your EV Ford vehicle, the FORDPASS Power My Trip feature acts as your trusted EV navigator, calculating your stops along the way. All electric vehicles require less maintenance than your regular gas vehicle. No more oil changes, transmission services, coolant top-ups. The drivetrain on an average internal combustion engine vehicle has over 2,000 moving parts, whereas on an electric vehicle, there's about 20. Fewer moving parts, this means there's less to go wrong and fewer trips to the garage. Overall, there are a lot of benefits to owning an EV vehicle, such as saving gas costs, routine maintenance, and leaving a smaller environmental footprint.